everyone, welcome back to Homegrown Passion. If you've been following along, you know we render all of our own beef tallow right here on the farm from our grass-fed cattle. Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn this golden tallow into something unexpected and absolutely delicious, homemade beef tallow mayonnaise. I haven't purchased store-bought mayo in years, and this is one of my favorite recipes because it's pure, nutrient-dense, and completely free of seed oils. You can use it anywhere you use mayo, on sandwiches, dressings, deviled eggs, even as a base for ranch dressing. So beef tallow is rendered from grass-fed beef suet, and it's loaded with good saturated fats and fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. And because it's stable at room temperature, it has a mild and creamy flavor and makes the amazing base for mayonnaise. It's also ancestral diet approved, keto friendly, and no seed oils, no additives, just clean ingredients straight from the farm. So here's what you're going to need to make this amazing mayo recipe. 1/2 cup of melted beef tallow, cooled room temperature, 1/2 cup of avocado oil, 2 egg yolks, pasture raised if possible. Now the eggs I'm using are from my ladies and they're only fed non-GMO feed and never any hormones or antibiotics. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice, I'm using apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and a pinch of garlic powder. Now you can play around with the flavor in this recipe, but the key is keeping the tallow around body temperature. Too hot, it'll melt, cook the eggs. Too cold, and it won't emulsify. Start with your egg yolks, mustard, and vinegar in a wide-mouthed jar. And then blend for a few seconds with your stick blender until it looks smooth and creamy. Now the next part is important. Add your tallow very slowly. Drizzle it in a thin stream while blending. You'll see it start to thicken and turn that rich, silky texture that makes perfect mayo. Okay, up next, avocado oil. I'm pouring in about 1/2 cup. It's got a really mild flavor that balances the richness of the tallow perfectly, and it helps everything whip together into the silky, dreamy mayo texture. To finish it off, I'm adding a little sea salt. It really ties everything together and brings out the smooth, rich flavor. Give it one last blend, and we're done. Wow, look at this. Turned out perfect. Thick and creamy. Can't wait to taste it. Let me get my blender cleaned off, and then we'll do a taste test. Okay, let's do the taste test. It's rich, creamy, and has that subtle hint of beef tallow, almost buttery flavor. You'd never guess this mayonnaise is made from rendered fat instead of oil. And because we use our own grass-fed beef tallow, I know exactly what's in it. No chemicals, no seed oils, I've said that before, but no mystery ingredients, just real food from our farm. So you can store your beef tallow in the refrigerator for up to a week. It'll firm up a little bit, but if it does, you just let it sit out for a couple minutes and it'll soften right up. So put it in a sealed jar. I love these little plastic lids that fit the ball jars perfectly. And what I like to do is I put a piece of Scotch tape across the jar there and I write the date on it because I'll never remember what date this is. So put the date, and now it's ready to store in the refrigerator. This is such a great way to use your home rendered tallow and make something truly special for your kitchen. It's better for you, better for your wallet, and better for the planet, all while tasting amazing. If you're trying to ditch seed oils and eat more nutrient-dense fats, or get back to traditional cooking, this recipe is a perfect start. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it turns out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our full tallow rendering video to see how we made this golden goodness from scratch. So thanks for watching Homegrown Passion. We're growing dreams and harvesting passion one jar at a time. And like always, please leave me questions, comments, and suggestions down below, and we'll see you guys next video.